In this video, I'm going to show you how to add TikTok link to your Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and first let me show you how you can copy a link for the video. So let's say I like that video and I want to share it on my Instagram story. All I have to do in that case is hit right there at share icon and then hit on copy link. Now that link was copy it to my clipboard and now I can go to Instagram and paste it to my story. But firstly, let me show you how you can copy link to TikTok profile. So first hit on your profile icon, then tap at three lines icon and select settings and privacy, and here tap at share profile. So in that simple way you can share a link to your profile. Just hit there on copy link to copy it to clipboard, and now you can open up Instagram. Then here you can tap on plus sign here at the top right and then select story. Here you can take a picture or you can upload some from your photo gallery, and now all you have to do in order to add here a link from TikTok is hit add that stickers icon, and then here you can find link sticker. You can find it right there among the stickers, or you can use search. Just tap at search bar and there search for link. So just tap at link sticker, then hold down here and hit on paste, and then allow paste to add there the link to TikTok profile that you have copied before, and then just hit done. Now here you can move around that sticker, you can place it wherever you want, you can change its size, you can rotate it if you want, and basically that's it. Now you can continue editing your story as you normally do. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.